So this is number 5 from the 2013 Mock Math Counts test target round, and this is a good counting problem because it tests us on a couple different ways. And so it says, what fraction of these letter arrangements have this condition of 2 A's left of the 2 C's? Well, first off, we're going to do what fraction. We have to know the total number, and so we use our letter arrangement formula, which says that if you've got 6 letters that you arrange, you do 6 factorial. But then you have to divide by the each repeat. And so since you have 2 A's, you have to divide by 2 factorial for the A's, 2 factorial for the B's, and then 2 factorial for the C's. And so that just equals, well, it's very easy to calculate. It's a target round, so you'd have your calculator. So the 2 times 2 times 2 would just cancel with 4 and 2, and so you're left with 90. So we know our denominator is going to be 90. So now we have to think about a way of counting all of the ones that meet the condition given. One way would be to do some casework, but doing casework on this would get way more tedious than you would need to. The best way to do this is to recognize that there is only one way to arrange the A's for every choice of where the B's go. So for instance, if I put a B here and a B here, that automatically means that my answer or my arrangement would have to look like that. I don't have a choice. I got to have the 2 A's left of the 2 C's. So that means if you use that as an idea, that means that this problem really is about how many ways can I arrange the B's into those 6 slots. And so there's 6 slots. You need to choose 2 of them. The number of ways you can do that is 6 choose 2, or 6 combination 2, which is just 6 times 5 over 2 times 1, which is 15. So the answer to this question is 15 over 90, or what the right answer is simplified to 1/6. Very good combination problem. This is a nice technique, and when you do these counting problems, a lot of times if you think it's going to be a bunch of casework, you try to think of, well, what's another way to think about it? And when I realized that the A's and C's were automatically placed, then it made it much, much easier to do the problem.